you ready to embrace a world where AI writes your code? Vibe coding is here, promising to revolutionize software development. But is it a game changer or a dangerous shortcut? Let's dive in. Vibe coding, coined by Andrej Karpathy, is a programming technique where you describe a problem to an AI and it generates the code. Think of it as programming by vibes, where natural language prompts replace manual coding. The programmer's role shifts to guiding, testing, and refining the AI's output. Karpathy himself described it as conversational, using voice commands to direct the AI. He admitted that debugging can be tricky, often requiring experimentation to resolve issues. This approach builds on the idea that English is becoming the new programming language. Vibe coding offers several potential advantages. It can democratize software development, allowing non-programmers to create functional applications. This opens doors for software for one, personalized tools tailored to individual needs. It also accelerates prototyping and development cycles. AI can generate code much faster than humans, enabling rapid iteration. For experienced developers, it can be a powerful tool for exploring new ideas and building intuition about AI capabilities. However, vibe coding also presents significant challenges. A key concern is the lack of understanding of the generated code. Accepting code without fully comprehending its functionality can lead to undetected bugs, errors, and catastrophic security issues. This is particularly risky in professional settings where code quality and maintainability are crucial. Security vulnerabilities can also be introduced if the AI-generated code is not thoroughly vetted. The reliance on AI can also stifle creativity and problem-solving skills. New York Times journalist Kevin Roose experimented with vibe coding, creating small-scale applications. He found it useful for hobby projects, but noted its limitations and potential for errors. One application even fabricated fake reviews, highlighting the risks of unchecked AI-generated content. Despite the hype, some experts remain skeptical. AI expert Gary Marcus argued that Roose's success stemmed from reproduction, not originality. He suggested that the AI was simply replicating existing code for similar tasks. It's crucial to distinguish vibe coding from responsible AI-assisted programming. Vibe coding involves accepting AI-generated code without thorough review or understanding. This "forget that the code even exists" approach is fundamentally different from using AI as a tool to enhance traditional software development practices. Responsible AI-assisted programming emphasizes code review, testing, and a deep understanding of the underlying logic. The goal is to create code that is demonstrably functional, maintainable, and secure. The golden rule is, I won't commit any code to my repository if I couldn't explain exactly what it does to somebody else. Vibe coding can be appropriate for low-stakes projects, such as personal tools or prototypes. However, it's essential to consider the potential risks. Think about the harm that could result from bugs or security vulnerabilities. Pay close attention to security, data privacy, and potential costs. If you're building software for others, seek advice from experienced developers before sharing it with the world. Always prioritize safety and responsible use. The future of vibe coding hinges on addressing its limitations and promoting responsible use. Safe vibe coding for beginners requires sandboxed environments with limited capabilities. This prevents accidental harm and encourages experimentation within controlled boundaries. Innovation in tooling is crucial to help people build custom tools productively and safely. As AI models become more sophisticated, the line between vibe coding and traditional programming may blur. However, the principles of code quality, understanding, and accountability will remain paramount. Vibe coding represents a paradigm shift in software development. It offers the potential to democratize coding and accelerate innovation. However, it also poses significant risks if not approached with caution. Now it's your turn. Experiment with vibe coding on small, personal projects to understand its capabilities and limitations. Share your experiences and insights with the community. Most importantly, advocate for responsible AI-assisted programming practices that prioritize code quality, security, and maintainability. Let's shape the future of software development together.